Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and staying home safely. So students, myself your computer and GK teachers of LPM Public School, that is Lakshmi Prasad Memorial Public School, which is situated near Tehsil Chowk, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. So students, today I am going to give the summary of the chapter 9 because I have already explained this chapter in the class, and then we will do the exercise. So let's start. That is, what is AI? You know what is AI? Yeah, AI is an artificial intelligence. AI stands for artificial intelligence, which is used as the technology that enables a machine to think, reason and take the decisions. So AI have the capability of a machine to think logically and take decisions to perform its tasks. Means AI won't have itself to have capacity of thinking and taking the decisions. And then we are using some smart devices in our daily use at present time, like it has electronic gadgets and all these are connected to this AI, which can help us to share information, interact with the users, and also we can use the similar devices also to we share the information and do the interactions. Even at present time, if we see some smart devices such as smartphone, smart watches, driverless car, smart TVs, smart locks, smart refrigerators and smart speakers, all these at present time having inbuilt AI. All are having inbuilt AI. With the help of AI only, all these things are be smart. Then even AI is also used in the technologies. Some technologies also it is used, such as virtual assistant, search engine and chatbot. It provides help and even solutions to be used based on its request. Whatever the even any type of request if I giving, it can be solved the solutions also. It can provide us help also. So at present time, AI is very important for us in our daily lives. So let's start the exercise. Okay. First we will go through the jumbled letters. Here given some jumbled letters. We will just go through it one by one. So let's start the jumbled letters. So the first exercise is smartphone, and smartwatches are examples of. Correct answer is smart device. I repeat again, smartphones and smartwatches are examples of smart device. The next second one is an example of a virtual assistant. An example of a virtual assistant is Alexa. ALEXA. The answer is Alexa. ALEXA. Then after that come to the question number 3. In question number 3, driverless car use AI, right? The driverless cars use AI, means artificial intelligence. Then fourth one is, which among the following is not a smart device? Which of the following is not a smart device? The correct answer is calculator. The correct answer is what? Calculator. The spelling of calculator is CALCULATOR. calculator. So by this we have completed tick the correct answer. Now let's go through the next one, that is fill in the blanks. So next is fill in the blanks using the data box. See here, first, most smart devices use a dash that accepts voice commands. I repeat again, most smart devices use a dash that accept voice command. The answer is virtual assistant. The spelling of virtual assistant is VIRTUAL, virtual assistant. ASSISTANT, virtual assistant. See here it's given the spelling also, you have option virtual assistant. The next one is dash, second one, dash is the virtual assistant in Amazon Echo devices. Dash is the virtual assistant in Amazon Echo devices. The correct answer is Alexa, ALEXA, Alexa. Then come to the third. A dash can carry out conversation with humans. A dash can carry out conversations with humans. The correct answer is chatbot, CHATBOT, chatbot. Then fourth one, smart devices use dash to provide response and information. Smart devices use blank space to provide response and information. The correct answer is internet. The smart devices use internet to provide response and information. So by this we have completed fill the blanks also. So let's go to true or false. So next is true or false. So true or false here, AI can make any machine a smart machine. Is AI can make any machine a smart machine? Yes. AI is a artificial intelligence which has a capability to a machine to think, make a machine to think logically and take the decision to perform a task. I already tell you the AI can make any dumb machine a smart machine. So this statement is true. This statement is true. The spelling of true is TRUE, true. Then second one is chatbot. Chatbot can do your homework. Is chatbot can do our homework? No, it cannot. Chatbot cannot do our homeworks. So this statement is false. FALSE, false. Now come to the third one. Smartphone can functions like a camera and a video recorder. Yes, you all students, you are having your home as smartphone. Everyone's home having the smartphone. You know that smartphones have many functions like cameras and video camera. So this statement is what? This statement is true. TRUE, true. Now come to the next, that is last one, fourth one is virtual assistants are also called digital assistants. Yes, virtual assistants is also called digital assistant. Yes, this statement is also true. Why? Because virtual assistant is also called the digital assistant. So this statement is also true. Okay, last one, this fourth one is also true. So by this we have completed our true or false. Now let's go through the. So students, all of you listen to me carefully. You have to complete all these exercises in your book. So fill the answers in your book and also do the exercises in your HW copy. I will send you the PDF of this topic. So with the help of this PDF, you please fill your books and do exercise A, B, C, that is tick the correct answer, fill in the blanks and true, false in your HW, that is in your fair copy. Whenever the school will get reopened, you have to submit your fair copy for the corrections. Okay, then thanks. Bye. We will meet you with question and answers of this chapter in the next video. Take care.